Oh, I wanna say the truth for you. I'm not constrained that you doing. Why you talking about too much, too jealous to me? I say stop, you are talking, shut up. Who are you? I say shut up. You talk about the rubbish. The people to see you think say you a woman being. The many people see you to run away, to fear, to see the animal. I say shut up. I don't declare, I don't mention your name. Because of what? I'm not constrained. You think you say to me, you were stupid than anything. I would think you are animal. I wanna tell the truth for you. You talk too much. I say shut up. Who are you? Who are you? You mention my name. You don't fear anything. I am a lion. Lion don't fear any animal. I want to say the truth to you. I am a crazy from my mother womb. Before my mother born me, don't say any wrong to me. I say I am a crazy from my mother womb. Before my mother born me. You talk about the rubbish. I will think animal. I say shut up. Shut up, shut up. Stop your talking. I don't mention your name to anybody. Because I will mention your name, my people's to run away to go far. Nobody come to me again. Because the people thinking say you are animal. You a fool. Nobody say the truth for you. I want to say the truth for you. I am a man. I don't fear any man. See never try. I say see never try. Don't try me. See never try. The intelligent mind to do the intelligent things. They're working about the intelligent work. Who are you? Nobody know you. But you black about the authorities and about the bad things. I say shut up. I'm warning you. I say shut up. Oh, nobody know you. You from your village to state of the Europe. You think about the Italy is heaven to you. I wanna say the truth for you. Shut up. Bumblecrat. Who are you? I will tell the truth for you. Mr. Bumblecrat.